Welcome to our channel, Tech World everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can sign up into your TikTok account. So it's pretty simple. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on it. For those people who do not know, TikTok is pretty simple, and TikTok is mainly known for its 1-minute content. In TikTok, you can watch a content within 1 minute. You can also post content of 10 minutes. It's a new feature they added, but we don't have to know more in depth about that. You can know about these things once you start using them. But before you start using them, you need to have an account. So let me teach you guys how we guys can create an account, or in another word, how we guys can sign up for TikTok. You download TikTok from the Play Store or App Store and open it like this, going versus profile and a profile. Click on login or sign up. And over here, we want to sign up. So you want to choose which method you want to use. You can even use your Google or your Apple ID, your Twitter, your Facebook, or use your phone number or email. So if I want to create the account separately, I'm going to click on use phone or email. And over here, choose a date of birth. After you choose a date of birth, click on next. And over here you need to enter your phone number. But if you don't have a phone number, you can just go on email like I'm doing, so I'm going to do that real quick and enter your email and click on next. And over here it's going to ask you to choose a password for your account. So choose a password for your account over here. And then what you want to do is click on versus next. Once you click next, your TikTok account should be created. So that's how we guys can sign up for TikTok account. But if you want to use a Google account, you can just click on continue with Google. Once you click on Gmail, it's going to ask you to enter the Gmail information. After entering your Gmail information, your TikTok account should be created under all the information listed on your Gmail. So that's how we guys can sign up for TikTok and all the way. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. Goodbye.